Life is too short to live a mediocre one, so we're planning a series of adventures that will take us around the globe, and you're invited.
Welcome to Breed of Speed.
It's time to do this.
From the cold, snowy mountains to the hot, dry deserts, we'll be bringing some of our adventure-minded friends along on the path less traveled. Where adventure is synonymous with lifestyle, there are only two rules. When adventure calls, be ready.
Hey Nate, Rich just called.
Rich. The guy with the 550 Spider.
Yeah, he wants us to go drive it.
That's like a street legal go-kart.
Yeah, buddy, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
And second, bring a helmet.
I told Kevin he needs to bring his paramotor gear, but I haven't told him exactly what we're gonna do. Plan is Corona Arch.
Sweet.
We're gonna fly through it. Boom.
We're going to meet a lot of talented and experienced adventurers along the way.
I ride, wrench, race, guide, everything off of timber sleds.
Well, I ended up doing it.
You did it.
And then I crashed the ultralight.
So we'll showcase the tips and tricks from those who have some trade secrets and tales to share.
Instead of pulling down, like perpendicular, pull directly straight ahead of it.
Are you being serious?
Yeah. Watch this. Ready? 1 second. There you go.
And she was probably the fastest woman driver from 1925 to 1930.
Once you start into the climb, you're gonna look at face where you're going, you're gonna pin down on the gas, you're gonna just full throttle this thing, squeeze the guts out of it, man, all right?
It's probably most famous for James Dean driving one when he was killed.
Whether it be on land, sea, or in the air, you'll have a front row seat to explore amazing destinations while having access to some of the world's most exciting vehicles along the way.
Going through deep set of powder and just throttling out, and it's like you're just floating on the top of the surface.
You know how to drive a stick, right?
I actually don't, but would you mind teaching me?
Welcome to Breed of Speed.